So guys, let's make the unboxing. We'll talk a lot of things in our reviews and with our projectors. Take yourself a big cup of coffee, guys, because these are true reviews. Okay, and you'll see the unboxing is necessary because there are a lot of features into the unboxing, a lot of stuff, and I will tell you why an unboxing is necessary. Okay, we have two cables, power cables. We have we have a big adapter. I don't know where I will put this adapter on the wall. It's a converter from 19.5 volts at 9.23 amps. Ooh, it's big. It consumes 180 watts, this projector. This is why we make these full reviews and long reviews, for you to know what you are buying and what you expect of that product. And I'm telling you this also, and I hope Viewsonic will see, all the people, clients will search YouTube first time for a projector, see how is that projector, and then will buy it. And for the PX748, there was a lot of people that say, even in comments were transparent and told us that they bought the projector and it's good, and we did free that projector we bought. Also, this projector is bought by us. We are impartials in our presentation. We don't take side with Viewsonic or other manufacturers. We take side with the truth, because this is my believing in life. You will not do nothing if you are taking sides with the manufacturer. I ask YouTube to make this also with Samsung, you know. You will see that in time, influencer who is bad, who is taking sides with that manufacturer and talks only good for their products and recommend you all the products. No, we say the truth. If a product has faulty something or it has cons, we'll tell you the cons. If a product is good, we'll say if it's good or not. Let's continue, guys. The remote control. The remote control is, I hope it's a little bit illuminated that the old one at the PX748, because it has an illumination that breaks your eye. I'm very interested. I hope I will not use this remote control. I hope I will use the receiver remote control to turn on the projector, turn off, because it has e-arc. It has a lot of function. Let's take it out, guys. Let's see. Easy. Let's take the beast out. I didn't show you the box, but it's not that interesting, except the fact that it's in collaboration with Xbox, and they made this collaboration for the compatibility between the Xbox and this projector to take the frame rate perfectly and you have a motion flow of the picture perfect. We have some batteries here for the remote control, some specifications, DLP, it says LX700 DLP projector. I don't know if it has 3D, but also that the lamp projectors had DLP chip inside. I don't know, but on the remote control, we'll get to that, to the remote control, but I don't see a 3D button on the remote control, not anymore.